ESLGamesPlus.com is an awesome resource for ESL teachers. My audience for this resource will definitely be my ESOL students. I like to use this quite a bit with my beginner and intermediate leveled students. The reason I chose this resource is basically to match it with the strategy of game-based learning. There are a bajillion games on here. As you can see, we have classroom games where they can be on teams or play with a buddy or two. Memory games, which are really awesome for the beginning level of new vocabulary. Pirate board games. Sentence Monkey is for grammar. As you can see, it says correct grammatical sentences. This one's a pretty tricky one, but definitely worth a challenge. Crocodile board games. My students really do dig the word search puzzles online and crossword puzzles online. We can just kind of take a look at some of those. What I really like about this resource is that it's organized by the vocabulary lists that they have programmed. So the action verbs here in this game, if I were to click on Action Verbs Interactive Crossword, you will see, okay, didn't know what I pushed. You'll see that we have one across. Read a book, right? So we're working on our spelling skills. Okay. Now these actions here are also in their flashcards. So I like how the terms that they provide, they not only have many games that they can practice those terms with, but they also have the same set of vocabulary words that actually have some pretty good clip art to match their wording. So there's read and read, read and read. So the kids, they are really engaged through these games. They get excited when we get to practice our vocabulary through lots of different kinds of games. So I feel like this resource here is really helpful and proves the Educational Leader Standard 2A, which is shaping and advancing a shared vision for empowered learning with technology. I also feel like it's Educational Leader Standard 2C, which is modeling for colleagues, identification, exploration, and adoption of new digital resources and tools. There's a few different ways that they organize their games, so you can kind of really just take some time and search. I like how they have high and low activities on here, so you can just really see the variety. Hopefully you can find a few games that you'll play with your students as well. Thank you.